Hey guys, so it's Morgan. I'm back at it again with another Minecraft video. No, I'm just kidding. I'm teaching you how to make your own spiral art. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a pen. It should probably be thin tipped. It doesn't have to be that thin tipped. You're gonna need a button. You're gonna need some paper. And you're just gonna need, it can be like printer paper. And you're gonna need some tape. It doesn't actually have to be the tape. It can only be like, you're just tracing this. So that's pretty much it. And let's just get on. I don't really have a piece of paper besides this because it's kind of filled up. So I'm just gonna put that to the side. Don't mind the background noise, sorry. So you're just gonna need this. I'm gonna put, well, this is just me, but 2 index cards, tape on top. You're gonna wanna put, hold on. Yeah. Then you're gonna need a button. You're gonna place the button on the side, not in the middle. You're gonna take your pen, stick it in one of the holes, and then just start twirling. At first, you might think like, oh my god, this is stupid. But once you keep going, just keep going and keep going. Because like mine isn't turning out well right now. But you can always make a new one because it only involves like 2 things. It involves like 4 things that you can find. So this is how mine turned out. Not that good. I'm gonna try another one. Here I go. I mean, it's pretty good from far away, but I'm gonna do less circles. So, oh wait, I need my button. So you can always switch buttonholes. So as you can see, when you first start, it's gonna kind of look like a 3-year-old scribbled all over the paper. But I would show you what I mean by that. But I'm just gonna make you do the DIY, so. And literally you can do this in the car, at home, anywhere really. And you just need a pen, a piece of paper, and a button. And you can probably find all this stuff in like a junk drawer at home. So these are the 2 that I made. This one I think looks really cool. I will show you separately this one. Oh shoot, my pen. So that was one that I made. This one was like, oh my god, it's a fail. This one was, I'm almost pro. This one, I did less ones to see how it looked. This one, I did a little more. Boom, this one's really cool. It's like 3D, and then that one. And those were how I tried. And then this one, you can always write like a nice note to slip under someone's doorstep or something. So yeah, so that is my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I really hope you do this DIY. It's just a nice present or a gift or just something to hang up in your room. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in my next video. And by the way, guys, I will do a video on what's in my Kindle and what books I can recommend for you guys in middle grades and like 4th and 5th grade in elementary school. So please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will probably end up doing that video for you. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.